today you're working on writing equation in slope-intercept form. If you do not know what is slope-intercept form, then the best place you can look is at your reference chart. I gave you the reference chart, which is in orange color, and it should be in the back of your binder. So the very first one over there is, let me see if I have a reference chart handy. So all you have to do is look at that reference chart. On the very first one, it says slope-intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b. So on the day of the exam, if you do not know which equation, then it is slope-intercept form y equal mx plus b. So y equal mx plus b. This is the equation. In that equation, I have to identify what is m and b. So remember, m is, what is m? Slope of a line m. So if you don't know, again, go back and look into your reference chart, and it says m. So m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. If I have to solve question in the Desmos calculator, then I put that equation. I have to change that equation y equal mx plus b into y1, that curly sign mx1 plus b. So this is my equation that I'm going to use it for the Desmos calculator after I enter the table. Example number 1. Identify slope and y-intercept of the graph below, and then we have to write the equation. So what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is make a table xy. Because I am unable to do rise over run. I make mistakes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table, find 2 points only. You need 2 points, 2 good points. And once I have those 2 good points, I'm going to find their x and y value, make the table, and then I'm going to use the calculator. So the 2 points, there are so many. It's 1, 2, well, these two look good. What is the x value on this point? This is 0, this is -1. I'm just going to label it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is -1 and y is 4. I need, so this is -1, 4. I'm going to find this point. X, it's on the line, so this is 0. So x is 0, and this is y, so y is 2. You can always read x and y from here if you can't figure out where the number goes. Now I'm going to use my Desmos calculator to figure out the stuff. So you don't see my screen, but that's what I'm doing. I'm opening the calculator and I'm going to calculate using the calculator. All right, I have the slope and the y-intercept. Slope is -2, so m equals -2. You always have to write the letter. And b is y-intercept, so b equals 2. And I have my slope and y-intercept. Now I need my equation. So first thing you do is you write your equation y equal mx plus b from the reference chart. And I'm going to replace m and b in here. So y equals, I'm going to replace the m and I'm going to replace the b. Everything else stays the same. So instead of m, I'm going to put the m value, which is -2. And instead of b, I'm going to put the b value, which is +2. So this is my equation. This is what I needed for this question. Super easy, super simple. You just have to plug in your numbers from the carefully after copying from the calculator into that equation, and you're good to go from there. Example number 2 is already a table, so it's very easy. If you already have a table, all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Desmos calculator to find the values. So I'm going to enter those values in the calculator right now. And from the calculator, I have my answers. m is equals to 5, and b, y-intercept, is equals to negative 20. Equation of the line is y equal mx plus b. I'm going to switch the m and b, which is m is 5, so 5x, and y-intercept is negative 20, and there you go. This is my answer. So I have my equation. Example number 3. It's a graph, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a table and find 2 points. So this is a good point, and that's also my y-intercept. So I already know the y-intercept, or b, is 20. I need one other point. This graph has really good points. All of these, you can use that point. It is x is 0. You can just read down, it is 0, and y is 20. Then I'm gonna get this value, x is 2 and y is 40. Then I don't need more points, 2 is enough, and I'm gonna find my answer. So slope using the calculator is m equals 10, and y-intercept is 20. So my calculator told me the answer. Equation of the line, write your actual equation, y equal mx plus b, and now switch your m and b value. So y is equals to m is 10 plus 20, and this is my equation. One thing you can do is you can graph this final answer of yours in the calculator. And look at the calculator screen and see if your equation actually shows you this line. It should. If you're right, it should match. So this is the way you can check your answer. Put that equation in the calculator and see if you get this line, and you're correct. This is how you see your question on the STAR test. Question says, the graph models the linear relationship between the number of miles a jet ski is rented and the total cost. All right. X and Y goes over here. X is the miles, and Y is money, so cost in dollars. I need 2 points. That's it. So this one doesn't have lines, so I'm gonna do my best. So first point is this: x, go down, x is 0, and y is 120. That's 1 point. And then this is the other point that I see. X is 20 and y is 130. I'm gonna use the Desmos calculator to see my answer. So my answer is slope and y-intercept from the calculator. Slope is from the calculator. Slope is 0.5 or 1/2. Since you don't have a fraction here, so you can see that I need the 0.5. And b, y-intercept, is 120. I need to write my equation, so y is equals to mx plus b. I'm gonna switch the m and the b with the numbers that I have. M is 0.5 and b is 120. And let's see. Okay, all right, A. That would be my answer because it matches 0.5x plus 120. It matches with my equation using the calculator that I just got. And there you go, super easy. All right, once you're done with the notes, the backside is your practice. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions to do. I'm gonna give you a few minutes. Finish these questions. I'm gonna come and check them. And once you're done, this notes, keep in binder. That means they go in your binder, all right? So go ahead, finish those questions on your own now.